Hello everybody. I have a presentation I want to share with you. There's a lot of information out there and you could spend hours and a lot of money and energy trying to get prepared to survive and not really get a whole lot done. I know that from experience. I hope this presentation will help some of you plan better. Anyway, here we go. Survival and preparedness. The rule of threes. Okay? This is the great part about the rule of threes. It's separated into three things that you might need and three things that you will need. So when we discuss these rule of threes, just remember, you can survive for 3 seconds without self-defense. Now, is that a hard and fast number? No, none of these are. It's all dependent upon different variables, environmental as well as personal. Some people can last longer than 3 weeks without food, for instance, but some people might not be able to last that long. So these are rough estimates and they just really help us with ideas. So 3 seconds without self-defense, 33 seconds without trauma care. Now, you don't see a whole lot of people include this one. Actually, I'm the only person that I've ever seen include the trauma care in the rule of threes. I think that's because it really doesn't fit well. As we go through here, you'll see that you have seconds, minutes, hours, days, and weeks. This one kind of sticks out. And I'll tell you right now, I just made that number up, 33 seconds. Now, I have heard that you could have potentially 45 seconds to stop a femoral artery bleeding before you lose consciousness. I've heard that you might have as much as 90 seconds to stop an arterial bleed before you lose consciousness. I chose to use the number 33 seconds because I think it'll help people be easier to remember. Is it 33 seconds? Is it 45? Is it 90? I don't know. And no one else does either, because these are rough estimates, but it's just something to help you remember. Moving on. 3 minutes without air. I think that this is the one that it is true, but I think it's the least likely thing that you are to need. Those are the 3 things that you might need. The next are the 3 things that you will need. You can survive 3 hours without shelter. Now, is that a hard and fast rule? No. These are extreme environments. The hottest deserts, wintertime, in a lot of places though. You can go hypothermic in as little as 3 hours. Moving on. You can survive 3 days without water. You can survive 3 weeks without food. I really like this because it's easy to remember. Rule of threes. Everything's a 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, and it's divided up into 3 things you will need and 3 things you might need. Now we could spend all day going into self-defense, trauma care, what you could do about air, shelter, water, food. It would make for a really long video. I think maybe the best thing to do is just let this be an introductory video to the concept, and then I could come back later and do other go into more depth about the different the different things: shelter, water, food. I feel like I could really make a whole video just about certain aspects of self-defense. You know, like hand-to-hand combat. I could make a whole video just about one form of trauma care. So I don't want to take hours with this video because I probably wouldn't be able to upload it anyway, but I will leave you with this thought for this initial video. If you're new to prepping, and even if you aren't, focus on the things that you will need, okay? And then once you get a base of these, next, focus on the things that you might need. Thanks everybody for watching this video. If you like it, please like it. I'm going to try to start a new channel for this video. Please subscribe to it. Share it if you want to. I just want to get this information out there. Like I said, I feel like this is a really organized way to do it. And I really hope that people will find this information useful. Thanks and have a great day.